Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna do an unboxing video and we're gonna review the Sky Protect. So let's start. On this package we have leak detection motion sensors, we have an indoor camera and a video doorbell. Let's see, let's start with the camera. I need to find something to open the boxes. Old school. Let's do it old school. So, this is the doorbell. Oh, so we have inside the box a time in which you put on, and when someone rings the bell, it's gonna sound. And we have quite a huge package, but oh, a beautiful doorbell. I believe here is the button. Yes, I'm gonna make a mess. And we have a motion sensor and a camera. Well, on that, as it says on the instructions, you can let me take this away. You can talk when someone is outside your door. And we have inside the power supply, and we have the mounting kit in which you can put outside. Let's see. Usually you find on those bells a sideways mounting bracket. Oh, it has a template, so we can do whatever we want. Some screws inside, I don't know if you can see. And we have, by the looks of it, 3 brackets to wall mount your device. I don't know if it has a safety feature, something like you mount it with something, because by the looks of it, the only thing I see is that bracket, and it clicks on it, something like that. So I hope no one is gonna nip the device when you have it. It doesn't look on the device that there is provision for putting it as a permanent power, but I don't know, we will see. So we have the corner thing, so you can put on the wall like that, and it's gonna be looking very nice, neat. And we have this, which by the looks of it, it makes your bell look more high, you know, up. So let's see. Let's see what we have for power. Okay, so we have a power adapter, which I believe it's for the bell. We have a Ethernet cable, which again it's for the bell. And we have a USB adapter, which I believe is for the outside video camera. It says that it has a battery inside. I hope it does. We will see. I don't know if I open it, if I power it, if it's gonna do anything. Oh, it does. So it has a integrated battery inside. That's good. So let's check what else we have inside the box. I know it's a mess for now. Sorry for that. So I believe that's a barcode for you to be able to get the app. So this is a sensor bridge. Let's see. Let's open it again. I don't know where I put my things. Cutting things. Okay. By the looks of it, that thing goes on the back of a device. Plug me into the back of your indoor camera. So basically, the indoor camera, which we will open now, controls all the sensors and gets triggered by the device. So let's see what else we have. This is the indoor camera. That's a tiny thing. That's a tiny thing. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. And this is whoa, very nice. I think it's like magnetic because yeah. So we have a 3M sticker, so you can stick it to anywhere. I hope I didn't show something I didn't need to show. So this is your power adapter for it. You have to have it. The bell says it has an integrated battery. The camera needs to put it on the wall. So let's see what else we have inside. Yeah, I know it's a mess. I know it's a mess. So we have a leak sensor, which it's a good to have. And we have 3 leak sensors, which you put where you know where you have all your plumbing, just in case it goes wrong. And I believe those, they have integrated batteries inside, and they have magnets. So what's that? Motion sensor, and we have a motion sensor. Again, it has a battery inside. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have the lock. You know, the things you put on your door. So you will see if it goes open. By any means, it has instruction for it. We have a tiny sensor, very nice. That's a tiny one, but I believe it's gonna do the job. I think that's where you install the battery. It says it lasts 2 years. I think you pull out this thing and it powers on. And this is the second one. And I'm gonna put them on and we will see how they go and how they work. So let's go to that one.